Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you solve the issue called your WhatsApp number banned here on your WhatsApp mobile. So how can I do that? Basically, you just have to go on the contact WhatsApp option here, like for the customer care service of WhatsApp application. So you will just have to go on your Google Chrome and search for WhatsApp contact or customer care service and click on the second website you can see here. So when you click it, there is a lot of option to connect with WhatsApp and you have to go on the WhatsApp Messenger support here. And here are the steps by you can select your country firstly and then enter your mobile number which you have linked or which number you have blocked on your WhatsApp. So you will just have to type that number here out. So click on the next tab and you have to enter your Gmail address for the reply of customer care service. It's quite important, so just check it once when you fill it. So after that, we will click on the final step called my contact and country option. Wait a second. So basically we just have to go on the mobile which we are using and then finally you have to type your message here like your account is banned. So how can you unban that account? So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching.